National University to pay former Deputy Vice Chancellor 170,000 tala. The Supreme Court has awarded damages of 170,000 tala to the former Deputy Vice Chancellor of Corporate Services of the National University of Samoa. Maungawali'i Fangalilo Famanudayana Mualia was appointed as the University Deputy Vice Chancellor for the Corporate Services in September 2018 after serving a 6-month probation period. On the 26th of March 2018, she was officially confirmed as the new Deputy Vice Chancellor for Corporate Services for a 3-year term. On the 8th of April 2019, Maungawali'i was informed by the University Pro-Chancellor, I.L. Christopher Hazelman, that she was placed under a special leave as per Council decision to carry out an independent investigation into various matters pertaining to the university. She was told that her special leave was to ensure that the investigation is carried out independently, objectively, and not compromised in any way, and the duration of the leave depended on the length of the independent investigation. In August 2019, the Council cancelled the DVC-CS, which led to the removal of Maungawali'i on the 29th of August 2019. The Council's decision prompted legal action from Maungawali'i on the basis of breaching a contract. She filed a claim with the court seeking payment of 179,338 tala and 23 sene owed to her contract. She also sought compensation for damages of undue stress, anxiety, humiliation, loss of dignity, and injury to feelings in the sum of 200,000 tala. The court finds in favor of the plaintiff on her claim for breach of contract, and she is entitled to a payment of 179,338 tala and 23 sene, being payment of the remainder of her contract of employment, as particularized in para 25 of the amended statement of claim. The parties are directed to try to resolve costs, and if not, then they are to provide submissions by the 23rd of February 2024.